He's just stretching.
No, I'm wide length.
Close, pal. Close. I tried to push it and then you just slipped on the front.
Come on, Justin.
You sure you didn't give it out?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. I tried to push it out while you jumped on, like.
I really don't think this is going to happen.
Oh, this is so funny. This is funny as a tiny cat. Just riding on a sail.
That time was short. I'll try getting on from that. I don't know if that'll work either.
Becky's going to put you on YouTube.
Do you know what? Give it a couple of minutes. It takes a couple of minutes there.
Leslie!
You said that.
Yes, Harry. I got you.
Okay, not repeat it, love.
You ready?
Taylor, hold the chair.
Oh, that almost worked, yeah?
Taylor, you should have had the chair for
That might happen.
You were lucky you didn't end up in next door's garden.
Taylor, hold the chair.
That can be dangerous. We'll see how far. Stand behind this one. You ready? To the side a bit, Taylor.
Hold it as well.
Guys, wait.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Becky?
Lean my side. Come on.
What's the next plan?
I don't know. Jump up. Don't lean into it. Jump up and try to land flat bum.
Right, yes, you hold that side and I'll hold this side. Ready?
Right there, Jump. You just have to lean back.
I'm here.
You just have to lean back.
Just,
Yeah, jump a little bit. Not too high, but yeah.
No, stop it! Get me something.
What's your glasses, John? Where are they?
Make sure you
Where
have this, Justin.
are your glasses? Where's it next? Where's your glasses? Here you go. You can have them back when you
I
get on
did
there.
that for you.
Definitely is not as easy as it